Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
All right, the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna take this trim piece right off here, use a trim tool. We sell these tools at 1aauto.com. Just get in behind here, pry it out. There's 3 retainers. Next, before we pull this door panel out, we have a screw down in here. We're gonna pull this cover off with a flat blade tool. Just get in under here and pry up. And there's a Phillips head screw right there. Take a Phillips head screwdriver, pull the screw out, and we can grab right here and pull up. Pull the switches out. There's a clip right under here. If you need a trim tool, just pry up. There's the clip right there. We can disconnect these electrical connectors. Just push down, terminal, pull it out. And then with this one, the little lock is in there a little bit, so I'll use a flat blade tool to help me. And then just work it back and forth, pull that out. You can set those aside. Then we need to take this trim piece off of this handle. You take a flat blade tool, stick it in there, and take the trim tool, get under here, pry this out like that. There's a connector right there, and these little tabs, click onto there. Take that out. And we're going to take the trim tool, and in between this weather stripping, the door panel, we'll just pry in underneath here, and there's clips. Just go around the door panel, popping these clips out. Go around here. Just like that. Once all the clips are out, you can grab the door panel and just pull up, pull it out of our way. All right, we're going to take a flat blade screwdriver, take this little cover off here. There's a Phillips head screw under there. Use a Phillips head screwdriver. Take that screw out. We can slide it to the left, towards the back side of the vehicle. Slide that out. All right, we need to gain access to these rods, so we're going to pull this weather guard back. I'm going to use a razor blade to cut some of this right here and pull it back. Try not to rip this weather guard. That's far back enough. So at this point, you want to disconnect this right here. You can use a flat blade tool in here just to spread this a little bit. And just push it down, and then I can pull this out. And then at this point I can twist this and that'll pop out there. To get this bar out, have this in the unlock position, and then move it to the side, and you can lift it up just like that. All right, to reinstall this, we're going to push this back in, and then we'll put it in the lock position to hold it better. And this one right here, we're going to install in this. Move it to the side a little bit. Get this in that, lined up in that hole right there. So that's in the hole. Push this back. Pop that rod back in there. And then close this lock on the rod, like that. Put back our weather guard. We can reinstall our Phillips head screw. We'll reinstall this little cover. It's going to go this way. And then snap right in there, just like that. All right, we're going to reinstall the door panel. We're going to get it lined up top first. It helps to have the window down when you're doing this. And we're going to line the clips up. And then we'll press them down. Okay, we have our wiring connectors out. We can connect our mirror switch, and connect our window switches. Make sure those are locked in. You can take that, push that down, and then we'll take our Phillips head screw, reinstall that. Just snug that down and close the lid. Now we can install this trim piece. Line this up over here. And just clip it into place. And this last one, line these little tabs up over here and push it down.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.